We're not ready. I suggest we get the hell out of the way when this thing goes. And if it doesn't launch, we gotta move. I'm telling you, if this gets stuck on the pad, we gotta get the hell out of here. All right?
Gotta line it before going that way. Ready?
Yes. Oh shit! No. We have found the Barbie. The Barbie has returned.
How's she doing?
Her hair is everything. Well, look at the back of her. That's from the rocket. Look at the back of her.
Let's take her into the light so we can
Goddess
examine.
of fire.
What's this?
You have not returned to the stars yet.
Not quite.
Jonathan?
Yep.
That's why we don't got the slide.
What?
Because you're back.
Oh, her foot.
So this
I think she was singed.
didn't go off then, huh?
Yes, it did, brother.
It did. Oh, it did.
She's still around.
It just didn't offer any. It didn't
Look at the
offer
back
any
of her.
lifting.
Look at that. We have to keep this leaping.
We have to take a picture and put it on Facebook.
Okay. I'll take a picture.